Chasing the highs, girl, the highs, yeah, the highs. I'm gonna finally get up, cause I'm not giving up on my dream.
Hey good people, and welcome back to a brand new video. I've missed you all so much. Sorry I've been so busy, but I'm so excited for today's video because it's going to be a new in Homesense, the range, Next, everything that's given us autumn vibes. I'm super excited for this video. So this video is actually pre-filmed where me and Shane just went out for a shopping day to see all the new autumn bits in. It's honestly just rolling in. I know it's very early, but I've learned from experience to go early, otherwise you'll literally miss out. But first things first, yes, it is very sunny today, so I have got my hair back. I have got this top on, which is an absolute steal from H&M. It was £4 in the sale, so get yourself to the sales right now. But we're still having an autumn vibe in this video, so I hope you guys are excited for it, and I'll be showing you everything afterwards I picked up so far. Bearing in mind I will be doing at some point a big autumn haul video. Little bits at the moment is all I'm saying, but we're going to build ourselves up, and I'm going to go Next in about 2 weeks time. So I hope you're excited for this one. It is going to be a voiceover just because we were shopping, and yeah, I just really wanted to have a first glance, but I wanted to show you guys as well, so I hope you guys enjoy it, and please smash it a big thumbs up, and yeah, get excited for autumn decor.
So beautiful people, I was really impressed with Homesense's collection of autumn decor in at the moment. Like we said, it's always early, and if you love autumn decor like me, you will love seeing all of this out at the minute on their shelves. I was literally admiring everything, and I think you should too. If you're going to Homesense, you never know how long it's going to be there. So they had this gorgeous pumpkin wreath. They had a really large variety of different pumpkins, from the materials that they were made with to sizes. So I'm just going to show you around some of the other stock, and when you're in Homesense, just keep looking in every single area of Homesense. I was admiring everything so much.
Is all I need until my heart gives in. I will do everything I can for you.
So as you can see, there was so many pumpkins. They had more Halloween bits and assorted pumpkins on this shelf, which I was so tempted to take home, but I swiftly moved on to the candles here. So they had so many autumnal candles out and Halloween ones out. I in particularly love looking at all the different packaging whenever I'm in Homesense, and you know that I'll be there for at least half an hour to an hour sniffing candle scents. So I moved on to more Halloween decor. It's nice seeing what you can customize your home to, if you're going more Halloween themed or simple and autumnal. So I really enjoyed seeing the variety here.
Everything I can for you. Deep and abiding.
So gorgeous people, we're looking down those other aisles now, which I find so interesting with how far you can take your decor, from pumpkin bottle stoppers to ghost salt and pepper shakers. It's just how amazing they think of these little intricate details, from tablescape accessories, and I just find it so fun and inspiring just seeing all these pieces and what you can do with your home. Talking about the icing on the cake, we have the syrups that they do in Homesense. I love the flavours that they bring out in autumn season, and again some more intricate detailing here, from fruit bowls to chopping boards to towel holders. I just found it so fun looking at all these pieces. and their mug collection never fails to disappoint me. If you have an ongoing mug collection like me, you'll love seeing all these new in designs. I was so tempted to take another mug home, but I just admired them today. They had Halloween, autumnal themes, more simpler designs. It's so nice seeing everything.
You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down.
We then made it into the range. So they had the most cutest entrance into their autumn section. It was a small section, but nevertheless it was a beautiful section. I love seeing all these different pumpkins and wreath designs and pillows, and down in the front there they had some really heavy glass pumpkins. So you can see Shane opening it there. They were really heavy and I was so debating whether to take one home or not. They had some bedding, some more burnt orange cushions, and I saw these candles which look like Yankee Candle dupes, and they smell really nice as well, but not much in the range, so I just ended up looking at these ribbons. But I was really impressed seeing all the autumn bits in these stores, and I felt really happy after our little shopping day out.
So we're back in the room. I hope you enjoyed seeing everything that was new in. I'm literally so excited. So going over the bits and pieces that I bought, but first of all, so Homesense had quite a few bits in, but I'm actually so surprised that I didn't pick up more. And the reason is because some of the pumpkins and little bits and bobs I liked weren't like I 100% wanted them, or they just need a little bit of tweaking, like the glue was a little bit here and there, so I didn't pick up as much as I wanted to. I love candles from Homesense, if you know me. I still have my heritage pumpkin from last year. I like burnt it once and now I'm like I don't want to burn it because it smells so good. So I'm very surprised is all I'm going to say. So next was the range. The range had a really nice small little pumpkin area, very Halloweeny upstairs. But I picked up, so this is the first thing I picked up. I didn't actually pick up anything from Homesense, apart from some like Tupperware and random bits. But all in good time, I'm definitely feeling it next time I go. So the range, I picked up this cute pumpkin. Oh my god, I'm absolutely obsessed with it. So it has a cute little leaf, has like a little stalk on it, like a cute pumpkin, but it does have a little mark on it. I don't know if that was just me, but surely I can just paint over it. This was £3.99, I'm pretty sure, for this cute little pumpkin. I absolutely love it. I really wanted to get a tall version as well, but that one was a little bit like had marks on it as well, so I might just paint it over that. Or if you had an autumn themed pumpkin decor, seasonal decor coming along, you can paint it orange. Everything in there was very arts and crafty. There was a lot of do-it-yourself, like making your own little lights and making your own little pumpkins. I was very surprised. So picked up this beauty for £3.99, I'm pretty sure, or £4.99. Pretty sure the other one was £3.99. The taller one. I really want to go back and get the taller one, but I really like this. It's super cute. I need to get down my autumn decor from last year. But yeah, this one is so cute and absolutely in love with it. It's a ceramic white pumpkin with a leaf on top. So other places we went were Denelm and Next, because I had an order to pick up. So I picked up this cute pumpkin chopping board, which I'm absolutely obsessed with. It has little grippers at the bottom, a gold little eyelet detail, and some strings so you can hang your little pumpkin chopping board up. This was £20, and can I just say, Next online for autumn, they had so many things on there. Honestly, have a little look because I was absolutely obsessed with everything. Last year they had these white ceramic sort of dishes for casseroles and stuff like that, and crumbles, which we have again this year. I'm still tempted, but I'm just not 100%. But I'm pretty sure they'll have them on there for a while if I do change my mind. I think it's just the white one with the gold stalk I really like, but will I really use it that much? Because I'm not much of a casserole person or a soup person or a stew person. I'll probably only use it for crumbles, and it would like, it just doesn't make sense to have a pumpkin dish just for apple crumble. That makes sense. But I absolutely love this chopping board. It was £20 and it is so cute. I think it's such a good piece just for like my little coffee corner at the minute. And they had loads of stuff at Homesense, by the way. They had like pumpkin flavourings and stuff like that. You know Homesense if you've been there before. I'm pretty sure you do if you clicked on this video. But they had all the bits out. Definitely go have a look. And then the other thing that I bought from Next was this cute pumpkin mug. I'm absolutely obsessed with it. So it says "Hello Pumpkin" all on the inside, and it has these cutest little pumpkin designs and a grey handle. It's my favourite mug now. Oh my god, this on my little pumpkin chopping board in my little coffee corner. I just love it so much. I had my first coffee out of it last evening, which is really funny because it obviously is sunny, but I'm obsessed with it. It was £8 from Next and I'm in love with it. It's like my favourite mug ever. So that is all the bits I picked up actually. I'm still in shock that I didn't pick up a candle, but good things will come to those who wait. So best believe I'm going to be at it with another Homesense new in coming again soon. But for now it was just these few bits and I'm just in love with them. So I'm very sorry for the lack of content recently. I've been super busy, but just going after those goals that I did in my dream board. So I'm really excited to catch up with you. I've got a couple days off now, so I'm going to do a cozy little vlog. Today I'm just going to go do some food shopping, but I'm really excited to spend a couple more days with you. So thank you so much for watching this one and seeing what's new in Homesense. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know down below what your Homesense has locally to you, or let me know if you wanted anything from my Homesense that you don't get in yours, or anything from any other stores that you saw, or any new stores or garden centres. I haven't even checked out garden centres, you know, but let me know. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!
Someday soon